Okay, now let me turn the light on. So, Ben, was it last time I made a video was in September of 2019, and I've worked on the boat a couple times since then, just in the last week or so. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get this camera to work. Oh my gosh, I've made probably half a dozen videos that didn't come out or didn't even work. So anyway, I've been sanding on it. This is what it looks like now. Still has a ways to go. I'm gonna have to re-stain some of these spots, and then I guess I'll put another couple layers of resin over the top. I don't think I'm going to put any more glass on it. I don't know. Anyway, I explained all this to you in the last couple of videos that didn't work because I had the protective cover on the camera and I didn't realize that you can't hear anything when the cover's on it. So those didn't come out very well either. So this will have to do for the introduction that I should have made a week or so ago. This is the contraption that I've been wearing to try to keep from getting some kind of lung disease. I did show on another one that didn't work. I showed the new cabinets that came out of the kitchen. It's been a long time making a video because we remodeled the kitchen, and that took a long time, and then putting these cabinets up out of the kitchen into the garage took another long time. So anyway, this will have to do for the introduction. Again, I did this several times and it didn't work, so I'll try this again, and I guess we'll see how far we get. It's still too cold to do any kind of, epoxy business, so it'll probably be a while before I get that done, but I'll be sanding until then. I think tomorrow, I'm going to use the orbital sander, try to make it a little better. The belt sander takes it off pretty quick, but doesn't leave it very pretty. So anyway, here we go. I'll show you what it looked like when I was sanding. It looks like that.